Here is how to find Epic Games security code. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can find the security code of your Epic Games account. So let's start. First of all, let me show you the steps by which you can receive security code. For that, open any browser. Then after, go to the official website of Epic Games. After you open the website, make sure you are logged into your account. Then after, click on this profile-like icon on the top and then go to account. Inside account, you will find this password and security option on the left hand side. Click on it. Then after, as you scroll below, you will find the steps by which you can enable the two-factor authentication. So you can use any of the two-factor authenticator app or email system or the SMS system. If you have enabled the authenticator app while enabling two-factor authentication, then check that specific app and you will find the code there. Furthermore, you could have also used the email system in order for authentication. In such case, check the email of the account that you have used while enabling the two-factor authentication. Lastly, you could have also used phone number while enabling two-factor authentication. For that, simply check the messages of your phone and you will find the security code. So depending upon which of the following two-factor authentication system you have used, you will get security code in that specific system. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.